Hello folks, today we are presenting the Top Gun house. In 1985, Paramount Pictures rented the house for 2 weeks and used it as the home of Charlotte Charlie Blackwood, played by Kelly McGillis in the blockbuster movie Top Gun. Released in 1986, the film would solidify Tom Cruise as a box office success and an A-list star. Since that time, the house became a favorite landmark for both residents and visitors. Also, it includes a refurbished Yamaha Kawasaki Ninja ZX900 motorcycle, identical to the one Tom Cruise rode in the film. For more information about Top Gun House, we have already attached a link. Thanks for watching.